My name is Diane Pfister, and I am a certified body code and emotion code practitioner. I am also the founder of Graced, a healing modality that helps you to define your future. And I'm here to talk to you today about your heart. A lot of us are living our lives today in our heads in what's called a fight or flight mode. It's an adrenaline-fueled state of anxiety that keeps you from the power that's always within you. As a consequence, when you try to, say, meditate, you're constantly trying to fight out this voice of this dualistic energy of worry or fear, this right-left brain battle for control. Well, the secret is right in your heart. For centuries, the universal flow of energy in and around your body has been called pranic energy, and it stems from Asian cultures. It comes through and out of the heart chakra as well. There's a little portal in the heart that connects us to all that is source. It connects us to all that is. If you can learn to just drop down from this chaotic brain state, your consciousness can rest in this place, and everything will become clear. Imagine just jumping into a little mini elevator in your mind, slowly riding down past your eyes, your throat, your thyroid, your bronchial tubes, and then just walking into the little portal that's there waiting for you in the warm glow of light in your heart. Heart surgeons are very aware of this little space, and it's composed of 144,000 cells. They also know that if they touch it, just touch it with the tip of a scalpel, the person will immediately die. It's that important. Cherish this. When you perceive your life as radiating out from this portal, that includes dealing with difficult relationships, conflict, whatever is in your life, you start to feel the frequency of love. And once you drop your consciousness into that place, imagine it flowing throughout the rest of your body. You'll start to actually feel, and as you start to feel how good your energy is, you'll actually start to feel beautiful. You are a little unique frequency. When you think about Source, it's like crystals. Every little beautiful crystal was attached to something much, much bigger. That little crystal, unique in itself, is here on this planet, wrapped with a purpose, just like you. You're wrapped in little tiny meat suits compared to your soul, and your soul is the bigger part of you. When you drop into the heart chakra, you start to feel into that frequency of how unique you really are, how beautiful you are. And suddenly the ego starts to drop away. There is no competition. Nothing can ever compete with just how beautiful, unique, and special you are. When you're there, you start to have compassion for all people, even those who have hurt you. When you let others stop you from feeling the love of who you are, you're forgetting who you are. Once this way of feeling becomes your way of being, anyone who may be reacting in an egotistical way no longer can affect you. How you respond is you, because now you can have compassion for them. You see the truth. They just haven't yet remembered who they are. So the key, the truth, is discernment, needed in the spiritual realm of connection, bathing in the energetic frequency of your heart. When you're connected psychically, or when you're in love with yourself, when you're connected to that frequency that identifies you, you can feel the falseness fall away. Anything fear-based or out of alignment is no longer part of your life. And since your heart is connected to Source, there's a never-ending flow of love. And that's where you need to get your strength from, not from others. The key is to learn how to become attached to non-attachment. When you love without expectation of return, or fear that it won't be right or it won't be enough, It will just naturally flow. So guidance in this process starts with healing the wounds. And when you remove the stagnant energies that create hamster cycles of conflict, pain, defensiveness, you have a chance to take that elevator ride down to your heart and move inside. Heart walls have to be removed. Body code is great for that. Goals need to be defined, and graced is great for that. Coaching and understanding your own psychic frequency and how to balance that is a gift from the quantum device treatments. I'm presently offering a special now to get you on your way in these hard times to become the highest and greatest version of yourself. I hope to hear from you soon.